Okay guys, so we have added a new feature into expired domain alpha, and this one will help with the deep linking. Okay, so for example, I've got a website here that I purchased an expired domain from, that I found with the VidSpy alpha domain finding tool, and you can see that expired domain alpha has pulled in the design perfectly. It's got all these different links, etc., and we need these links to actually be working once they have been pulled in. So we needed to create that extra feature so that these links would all work properly. Okay, you can see here it's all working nicely now. Now if I come over here into the dashboard, what you can see is that we have got this extra tab here, and you don't have to do anything. All you have to do when you're using expired domain alpha for the first time, or when you install it onto an expired domain, it's automatically going to pull back in these snapshots, and you can click on the previews and choose the snapshot choose the snapshot that you want. You can see this one is from when the domain was parked, so that one is no good to us. And if we scroll down a little bit more, then we can start to see when the site was actually active and being used, and when it probably had a lot of traffic as well. Now this domain in particular has got a lot of very, very good domain authority. It's got good trust flow and domain authority from Moz, etc. So we know it's a good domain. We know that there's still a whole bunch of backlinks linking to it, and we can use those backlinks by re-indexing or putting out those links for some indexing services. We can backlink those backlinks, we can ping them, a whole bunch of different things that we can do there to sort of consolidate the SEO metrics and the authority of the website. And all we would need to do here is choose the snapshot date and click on retrieve archives. Now once we have done that as well, the software will then go and identify how many pages and posts within the site. And you can see for this particular domain, it's a very big site. There's 1,119 discovered URLs. Okay, and right now it's halfway through, and you can see here the expected time to completion is 11 days and 1 hour, and this can change because it's gone through every single post, every single page. Okay, it's discovering links for the internal linking and even for the external linking as well, and it's putting those links live back in place just the way it was. So this has made this so much more powerful. Now I'm not aware of other tools that can pull in Wayback Machine archives into WordPress, but you won't find anything as easy as this. I mean, it's really super simple, and now with this deep linking, it's got 10 times more powerful. Now originally when I started to create this plugin, I was thinking we would just do some internal links plugin, and I would use these domains for the purpose of 301 redirects. But when we started to look into it, you know, how possible it would be to actually put in the correct links the way they were, and we decided to you know, attempt to do it. And you know, it just became really exciting as we started to see the power of what we had actually created. So this is a much more powerful tool now that we have got these this deep linking feature in there, and it's going to make a huge difference. So what we can do now, and we've actually got a nice little system with the tools that we got. I mean, we can use VidSpy Alpha to find domains like this, and like the GP Pros one that we pulled in, and basically, you know, you can not have to worry about content because we just restore from the Wayback Machine or archive.org. Okay, so we've got that initial content. That doesn't mean that you cannot add more content. Yes, you can. Okay, but you can take the website in a slightly different direction if you want, and you can start to build on it and use these expired domains as money sites. Okay, and now we've got the expired domain alpha that we can create this. We've got the VidSpy alpha to find very good quality domains from YouTube and Dailymotion broken links, and it will tell you immediately if those domains are available. You'll be able to see the domain authority, the Moz rank, how many backlinks it's got, all that kind of stuff. Even the spam score you can tell using VidSpy alpha. And then what we can do once we have got our content on the website, then we can take it further. by using other alpha tools that tie in with third-party indexes, and also with the new backlink alpha tool, what we're building, what should be ready hopefully today, is a sort of new version of the RSSX, and the RSSX will take all those links from the automated social bookmarking, from the automated Web 2.0 posting, and even if you want to grab all the links from Ahrefs or Moz for the backlinks linking into your expired domains, you can take all of them, put them into the RSSX tool, and that will help to get those boosted as well, because what it does is going to mash them into one RSS feed. It's going to post that RSS feed into feedburner.com. It will make a list of all those different posts within the feedburner.com RSS feed, and then we can syndicate it out to RSS directories, RSS ping sites, and also what we do is we create a Google Doc or a Google spreadsheet which we make public as well, and that way you've got some extra indexing from Google properties. So it's a nice little system that we got there for being able to do this, but this is the key to making this super powerful, having this deep linking within expired domain alpha, which makes this a very, very, very serious tool and a must-have tool for anybody who wants to build PBN networks. Okay, if you want to build a private blog network, you need this tool, and it's very affordable. If you go over to Fiverr.com, for example, you will find that to get from Wayback Machine into WordPress, a service like that, it's going to cost you about $70 per site. Okay, you can do this for $10 per site. That's how cheap we are selling this particular plugin. It's really good value for money. It's brilliant to be able to offer as a service as well if you want to make a profit, but use it for your own private networks as well, because with this additional feature, we've made it really, really super powerful, and you can take domains that had very, very good domain authority before, and you can take them further. You can monetize with ad revenue, like AdSense, like native ads, or whatever you want to do, maybe some CPA offers or whatever. And there's a whole ton of great domains in YouTube in just about any niche. So you want to check out VidSpy Alpha as well, so that you can go and find those domains without having to pay monthly fees for these domain finding tools. It's just a one-time cost of VidSpy Alpha. Now, if you're looking for any of these tools, what you can do is you can just go over to my blog, go over to anthonyhayes.online, and just go into the website, into the blog, okay, and on the sidebar, what you will find is the premium products here, okay, and you can find the expired domain alpha, the VidSpy alpha. If you want to build local directory sites, you can find the local biz alpha, and you know, got a whole bunch of different tools, and backlink alpha has just been released as well, and it's only $7 per month right now if you grab it quickly while it's on a special discount. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video because I'm really, really, really excited about what we have done here with the expired domain alpha. This was the missing piece, and we've managed to pull it off. It's a phenomenal tool now. It's absolutely brilliant tool if you want to build out private networks, or even if you want to recreate money sites that other people have had before and dropped, because maybe you've got a better idea, maybe you want to take it in a different direction. It's all very, very possible. And all of these posts that are being created, you can edit them, but it's not in the typical WordPress editor when you want to edit these pages that have been put together with the expired domain alpha. What we have there is an HTML, but we will build in some kind of sort of WYSIWYG editor there as well over the next couple of weeks, so that you can easily go and change any text, etc. So if you want to change any contact details, for example, you can do that very quickly, very easily. But you can still use it's still a WordPress site. You can still use it as a WordPress site and add your extra content, add better content, add more content as you see fit. Okay, thank you.